Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Can-AM Turn Signal Kit is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your Can-AM vehicle, enhancing both safety and legality on the road and trails, ensuring you can clearly communicate your intentions to other drivers and riders, which is crucial for preventing accidents and navigating various terrains with confidence, making it a worthwhile investment for any Can-AM owner looking to improve their riding experience and overall safety. Number 5. SHEJISI UTV Automatic Reset Side Mirrors. Tired of constantly adjusting your side mirrors? Our innovative UTV mirrors feature an automatic reset function. They intelligently fold back when encountering obstacles and return to position, enhancing your driving experience and safety. Experience a clearer, wider view of your surroundings. These mirrors offer an anti-glare, large field of vision, allowing you to easily spot rear hazards or teammates. The slight convexity ensures you see more and farther than with flat mirrors. Built with durable materials, these mirrors are designed for stability. The non-destructive connection ensures a secure fit to your roll cage, providing a reliable view without obstructing your vision, even with a windshield installed. Designed for a wide range of UTVs, these mirrors fit models from Polaris RZR, Can-Am Maverick, Honda Pioneer, Kawasaki Mule, and more. They are compatible with 1.5-2.0 roll cages and many retrofit options. Specifically improved for models like the Can-Am Maverick X3, these mirrors eliminate passenger side view obstruction. We've refined the bracket angle and length for a perfect fit, ensuring unobstructed visibility. We stand by our product and are here to help. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We promise a response within 24 hours and will work diligently to resolve any issues to your satisfaction. What we like. This mirror offers an innovative automatic reset function, meaning you won't have to manually adjust it after it folds. It also boasts wide compatibility with many UTV models. If you're tired of constantly readjusting your mirrors or are looking for a mirror that automatically corrects itself after minor impacts, this is a great option for you. What people say. The lights are bright and visible. Installation was straightforward and took about an hour. The kit includes all necessary hardware and instructions. Number 4. KEMIMOTO UTV Turn Signal Kit with Horn. Make your UTV street legal and enhance safety with our Universal Turn Signal Kit. It's designed to fit a wide variety of UTV models, ensuring compatibility and easy integration. Installation is a breeze thanks to the plug-and-play design. With pre-assembled harnesses and clearly labeled connectors, you'll have it set up in no time, regardless of your vehicle's seating capacity. Alert others effectively with the included 110 decibel horn. It provides a clear warning to pedestrians and other vehicles without being overly startling, and it's easy to operate with a simple press and release. Stay visible in any weather with penetrating amber turn signals. These lights ensure other drivers can easily see your intentions, significantly improving your safety on the road. Our kit features an upgraded, longer wire harness to accommodate even the largest UTVs. The color-coded wires and included accessories make installation straightforward and efficient. This comprehensive kit includes everything required for installation: turn signal lights, a powerful horn, rocker switches, a complete harness set, relay, cable ties, and a detailed installation guide. What we like. This kit is designed for a plug-and-play installation, making it incredibly easy to set up. It also includes a powerful 110 dB horn for enhanced audibility. If you're looking to make your UTV street legal with minimal hassle and want the added safety of a loud horn, this kit is an excellent choice for you. What people say. The kit is a direct plug-and-play installation, making it very easy to install. The turn signals are bright and highly visible, improving safety on the road. The integrated brake light function adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring drivers behind you are aware of your braking. Number 3. KEMIMOTO UTV Turn Signal Kit with Horn. Make your UTV street legal with this essential turn signal and horn kit. It's designed for easy installation and provides clear signaling for enhanced safety on the road. Get back to riding in minutes. Our plug-and-play harness requires no cutting or splicing, and a clamp-on design means no drilling. It's a simple, car-like upgrade for your vehicle. Ensure you meet road requirements with this certified street legal kit. Turn signals and a horn are crucial for making your UTV compliant, but always check your local laws. Be seen in any condition with 6 bright amber LED blinkers. They offer superior visibility, especially in fog or rain, giving vehicles behind you an earlier warning and improving your safety. Communicate your presence effectively with the included 105 dB horn. It provides a clear alert to others without being startling, with versatile control for short beeps or continuous signaling. Everything you need is in the box. This kit includes signal lights, a column switch, horn, all necessary harnesses, mounting hardware, and an installation guide for a hassle-free setup. What we like. With a remarkable 10-minute installation time and a convenient column-mounted switch, this kit prioritizes ease of use. It's also street legal certified, ensuring compliance with road regulations. If you're seeking a quick and straightforward way to upgrade your UTV for road use and prefer an integrated, car-like switch, this kit is ideal. What people say. The turn signal kit is a great addition to the KEMIMOTO. It is easy to install and works perfectly. The lights are bright and visible, making it safer to ride on the road. Number 2. UTV Street Legal Turn Signal Kit. Introducing our Universal Turn Signal Kit, designed to be compatible with a wide range of UTV brands and models. It's the perfect upgrade for your off-road adventures. Ensure you comply with road regulations with this street legal kit. It enhances your visibility, especially in adverse weather conditions like fog and rain. Improve your safety on the road with a powerful horn and high-visibility turn signals. This helps attract attention and reduce the risk of accidents. Installation is a breeze thanks to its plug-and-play design. No complex modifications are needed, making it quick and easy to set up. Customize your installation with flexible wiring options. You can easily personalize the flashing effects to suit your preferences and needs. Everything you need for a full installation is included. This kit comes with all essential components, ensuring a hassle-free setup. What we like. This kit offers a truly universal fit for almost any UTV and boasts a simple plug-and-play installation. It's designed to comply with road regulations, enhancing safety. If you own a UTV from a less common brand or simply want the most versatile and easy-to-install street-legal kit available, this one is a strong contender. What people say. The Turn Signal Kit is a great addition for safety and visibility on the road. Installation was straightforward and the integrated design looks factory installed. The bright LED lights ensure you are seen by other drivers, enhancing trail riding safety. Number 1. Y-shaped flowing turn signal LED lights. Introducing our Y-shaped flowing turn signal lights, designed for your motorcycle or scooter. These lights provide a dynamic and eye-catching visual effect. This package includes 2 LED bulbs, specifically designed for the flowing water model. They are perfect for enhancing your bike signaling system. Constructed with ABS plastic and featuring a flexible rubber base, these lights are IP67 waterproof. They are built to withstand the elements and protect against damage. Installation is straightforward. Simply connect the black wire to the negative terminal and the red wire to the positive terminal. They are a direct replacement for your original turn signal lights. Operating on a DC 12V input, these LED lamps are compatible with most motorbikes and scooters. Enhance your safety and style with these advanced lighting solutions. What we like. These indicators feature a dynamic flowing water LED design for a unique look and are IP67 waterproof for durability. The flexible rubber construction helps protect them from damage. If you're looking to add a stylish and robust turn signal to your motorcycle or scooter that can withstand the elements, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The Turn Signal Kit is a great addition to the KEMIMOTO. It is easy to install and works perfectly. The lights are bright and visible, making it safer to ride on the road. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.